It's your pre-market summary for Wednesday, August 31st. Futures back in positive territory once again this morning with all eyes on Bed Bath & Beyond. Wow, what a move so far to the downside. Lots of news coming out at 7:30. We are still awaiting this conference call set for 8:15 this morning, possibly to provide some further details on this corporate update, as they're calling it this morning. Here we go. There's a look at the markets right now. 0.3 for the S&P 500. We are positive on the Dow as well, but only just. NASDAQ 0.7 to the upside at this point. Big move down once again for crude oil, about 3% in negative territory currently. 1.7 for Bitcoin, 2.2 there for Ethereum, back in negative territory. Here's the first little tidbit for you. $500 million in financing secured from or for Bed Bath & Beyond. They're going to close 150 stores. They're going to lay off about 20% of their workforce as well. All this coming out at about 7:30 this morning. Again, there is still this scheduled conference call coming up at 8:15, where I'm sure they'll take some questions on all of these details that were out this morning. So big move down, to say the least, for BBBY, 25% or more, depending on when you looked at it. We're also going to have a look at some of these Chinese ADRs moving around once again. Yesterday, we learned of more auditing to come, including on Alibaba, on Baidu, JD.com already have been notified as well. So all of these Chinese ADRs pretty active here once again. In the pre-market, CHWY reported downside move for CHWY here this morning, coming off of earnings. We'll have a look at CrowdStrike coming up. Basically unchanged, despite a pretty good report from CrowdStrike. A couple of notes on Apple this morning. Among the leaders, pretty ugly red candle on the daily chart for Apple once again yesterday. Among the leaders to the downside was Apple, along with big tech. Yeah, more executive changes coming for Snap as well. We talked about a few of them at the end of the day yesterday. There's layoffs coming as well for Snap. So very negative and active in the pre-market as well. Make sure you grab the watch list, guys. On its way out to you for free. As always, all you need is an email address. We'll send it right to your inbox. We'll see you shortly, coming up on TraderTV.Live.